Good Thursday evening, Facebook friends. I want to touch base with you about tomorrow's severe risk. So it's looking increasingly likely that the central United States is going to be seeing a significant severe weather outbreak tomorrow, and that does include parts of the Chicago area. So zooming things in, notice how most of the area is highlighted in an enhanced risk. What that means is that we're looking at numerous to widespread severe thunderstorms being possible, and specifically with tomorrow's scenario, I think the main thing that we're concerned about is damaging winds of over 70 miles per hour. So straight line wind is going to be a concern. And then also tornadoes. We do have that tornado risk for tomorrow. Now the highest threat of those damaging storms is further to our west where we see that moderate risk. But either way, whether you find yourself highlighted in red, orange, or yellow, just know we do have that chance of severe thunderstorms tomorrow. Now tomorrow, we actually have 3 rounds of storms in the forecast. So the first one's going to come through during the early morning hours between 2 and 6 a.m. We're going to be seeing some showers and storms developing. I'm not concerned about that one in terms of severe thunderstorms, but during the mid-afternoon hours, we're going to start to see some scattered activity developing. Those could be severe, but when it comes specifically to the tornado threat, I'm most concerned about our late afternoon through evening thunderstorms. That's going to be coming through with a cold front. Now notice here on this map, that area in red, that bullseye to our west, that is the highest chance that we have tomorrow of seeing some large tornadoes being possible. Zooming things into what these colors mean specifically for the Chicago area, most areas are highlighted in brown. What that means is we have a 5% probability of seeing a tornado within 25 miles of any point that's highlighted in brown. Same goes for that 10% chance, only it's a 10% chance of seeing a tornado 25 miles from any point that you see highlighted there in yellow. So as far as our chances go, the chance of seeing a tornado is higher the further west that you go. So the west suburbs, southwest suburbs, we're going to be watching all the storms very, very closely tomorrow. But for those of you that maybe don't have ways of getting severe weather alerts, if you don't have a NOAA weather radio, go ahead and download our Fox 32 weather app. This isn't just a plug for that. You do get severe weather updates specific to your location, and that's going to be really important for tomorrow, especially since we do have this tornado risk. So let's time things out. We have a warm front that's lifting northward through the area. That's going to allow in some warmer, more unstable air for us to work with. So between 2 and 6 a.m., we're going to see some showers and thunderstorms developing. But again, this round, I'm not too concerned about. I don't think it's going to be severe. Then mid-afternoon tomorrow, we're going to start to see just a couple stray storms popping up. Some of these could end up being severe, so we kind of need to be on high alert anytime after about 2 or 3 o'clock in the afternoon. But the wave that I'm most concerned about as for that tornado potential, the damaging winds, the straight line winds, I think is going to be more so during the evening hours as our cold front approaches. So along that cold front, we're going to see a line of severe storms being possible, if not probable at this point, with damaging wind gusts likely as this comes through. So 70+ mile per hour straight line winds going to be possible with some of these storms, in addition to that tornado threat. I think it's entering into the west suburbs anytime after about 5 or 6 p.m. And then this very quickly races to the east, moving through the Chicago area by 7 or 8 p.m., through northwest Indiana by 8 or 9, and then it should be moving out of the region after about 10 p.m. After that, the severe threat's done, but the wind is still going to stick around. So we'll have very gusty winds on the backside of this cold front, westerly winds gusting as high as 45 to 50 miles per hour. There you see it. A rain-snow mixture is going to be possible on Saturday. So we're going from 60s for highs on Friday down to upper 30s and low 40s during the afternoon of Saturday. So a drastic temperature difference there. Fortunately, we're not stuck with the rain and snow all day. We should clear out in the afternoon. For tonight, we'll have temperatures actually rising. So around the midnight hour, I expect to be in the lower 50s, and then we're just going to continue to rise through the 50s as that warm front moves through. Remember, we do have that chance of showers and storms between 2 and 6 a.m. The 7-day forecast tomorrow, that is the day to watch. We'll have strong to severe thunderstorms, 65 degrees for your high on Friday. On Saturday, we'll have a rain-snow mixture during the morning, a high of 43 degrees. Sunday looks okay. We'll be in the upper 50s with some sunshine. And then on Monday for the Sox home opener, we're counting on highs in the 60s, but there is a small chance of rain.